What is going on, guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're going to be working up with the pop-up plugin. Okay, we're going to add a pop-up plugin so that if someone clicks this button, here should be a pop-up saying that enter your details and everything. So it will look great on a computer website, not on a phone, but on phone it should dig directly to my this one, my page. Okay, so if I click this, it's going to take me to the hire me page. Okay, and if someone clicks this on a computer, it should open up a pop-up. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just make sure that you save everything, and then you have to come here and you have to go to dashboard. Okay, and now here, what I want to do, I want to install a pop-up plugin. So let's go ahead and let's hit add new, and let's see that what are the pop-up plugins for WordPress. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit pop-up plugin WordPress. Okay, it's gonna search, and I forgot which plugin I always use. I think this was the one I use, or the pop-up builder. So these two ones, pop-up maker, TM best rated. Let's go down and let's see this the screenshots of this so that I can understand it easily. Yes, this is the one. Okay, so we're gonna be using this plugin right now. Okay, you can also go with so many plugins. There are also the customization videos in the plugin so that you can watch them, and then you can see how these plugins work. Okay, so it totally depends upon you. Okay, what I want to do, I want to install this plugin right now. I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna hit, and I'm gonna basically search pop up. Okay, and here you should be seeing that plugin. So here we have the pop-up maker TM best rated. I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna hit install now, and you can see that it has been activated. I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna hit activate, and this plugin should be activated right now. So after this plugin is activated, we're gonna make the changes. Okay, I'm just gonna hit skip because I don't want any of the newsletter. Okay, there we go. We want to add a pop-up right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna hit add pop-up. Okay, and this pop-up is gonna be the pop-up name, so you can add a pop-up name. Okay, the pop-up name is gonna be hire me pop-up. So you can add any of the name right here, it will not be visible to you. Okay, and here I want to do the tongue. So I just basically want to get the code of that the contact form. I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna go to the contact forms right here, and I want to grab this code, so the hire me form. I'm just gonna copy this form, and I'm gonna just come here and I'm gonna drag it and drop it right here. So you can add anything right here. You can also add like hello world. Okay, let's just add hello world for right now. Hello world. Okay, and what I want right now is that trigger, that how you want this pop-up to open. So what I need a trigger that how I want my pop-up to open. So if someone clicks, then this pop-up should open. Okay, and this we can choose that how we want the pop-up to be opened. So link exact match, link containing, link begins with, link and with. So link containing can be worked. Okay, I'm just gonna come here and it says ahref link contains. So if my link contains hash and then hire me, if my link contains this hire me hashtag hire me, then it's gonna show the pop-up. Okay, I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna hit this. Okay, and what I want to do right now is that so I don't want to add any conditions. Conditions are used to limit where and when who will see a pop-up. So you can show the condition that all pages with selected post, or like my repertoire, media, categories, format, and something like that. Okay, so you can disable this pop-up on mobile devices, and you can disable this pop-up on tablet devices. So you can do that as well. Okay, let's go ahead and let's hit publish right now. Okay, and I want to go to my website here. Let's just come here and close this tab. And after coming to my website, I want to basically edit this with Elementor, and I'm going to add the hashtag hire me tag here. So here I want to click this, and I want to add this. The link should be hash hire me. Okay, I want to come here and I want to hit save. There we go. Okay, now what I want to do, I just want to open this up, this page right now, itemzl.com. Okay, and now you're gonna see this, how this pop-up works. Okay, if someone clicks this, you can see this pop-up is right here and it says hello world. This pop-up is coming. So this is how it works. Okay, you can change the theme. You can change it to be like framed border, cutting edge, hello box, enterprise brew, light box. So I just like this one. Let's go ahead and let's hit update. You can even customize this theme if you want to. Okay, I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna refresh this. And then let's come here and let's refresh. Here we go. This is how it is looking. The light box, so you can customize this theme as well. Okay, you can also go with the cutting edge. Cutting edge looks pretty decent as well. So if you want to go with the cutting edge, you can also go with. Okay. So I think that this cutting edge is basically going up with our theme. So you can also customize this theme. You just have to come here and it's going to take you to the customizing theme where you can just change the overlay settings. So you can see that this is how it is looking. You can change the background color. You can change the container color. You can change the padding. So it's going to basically do exactly as how it's going to look. So then we have the background color, we have the border, that how you want the border to be, and this is how you can do it. So I'm just going to come here to pop-up themes. Okay, and you can see that we have so many themes right here. So you can just hit just control and hit edit, 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 and edit and edit, and you can see that these are here right here. So let's see how this pop-up is gonna look, how this pop-up is gonna look, how this pop-up is gonna look, and how this one is gonna look, this one and this one. So I basically like this one, the cutting edge one. Okay, what I want to do, I want the overlay to be blue. Okay, the overlay is going to be blue. The opacity should be more. Okay, and or you can go with the overlay to be black. Okay, the overlay should be black. Okay, the opacity should be 72%. You can increase the opacity, I think this much. Then we have the container. So the container, the background color should be the blue. You can go with the background colors be white. Okay, and this, the text color, title settings. So title can be white, title should be black or yes, and the text shadow, the content setting, in the content setting we need to manage the color. So you can see that the title is black right now, and I want to go to the content settings. The content settings should be black. Here we go. And the close, so the close button is going to be this. The padding is this top right. We have the font, we have the color, and then we have the background. So we have the background this. I just want the background to be full blue and the color should be white. Let's have a look. Okay, this is how our pop-up is gonna appear. Okay, there we go. I just can move on with this. So you can also go with the style of the border. I think the groove one. Okay, just choose none. Okay, let's have a look at everything right now. So everything looks cool. Yes, okay. Now what I want to do, I just want to come here and I want to hit update. So this theme is going to be updated right now. Now I want to come here to my website. Let's refresh this and let's hit hire me. So you can see how this is looking. This is how my pop-up is coming. So this pop-up is also responsive. You can see that if if my screen size is changing, this pop-up size is also changing. Okay, so you can show it on all devices, and you can also just do not show it on mobile devices if you want to. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to add the form right here in the pop-up. So I'm just gonna close all these tabs. Okay, close this one as well. And let's come here. Let's come here to all pop-ups in the pop-up maker. Okay, and I want to go to edit. And here I want to paste that code that says contact form. So I want to paste that contact form ID. Okay, now I want to go down and I want to hit update. Okay, and now here I want to come here and I want to refresh this. Here you go. Let's hit, and this is how it is looking. So we have name, email, business name, select the service you want, your message, and then send. I want to add the title to be, and the title would be hire me. Okay, I also want to add one line, so that is going to be please fill this form for hiring. Let's come here and let's hit update. Okay, now let's come here, let's refresh this page. And here you go. You can see the title, the description, and here it says everything. So if my screen size is changed, you can see how this pop-up is looking. Okay, so now we have created a pop-up. We are done with our everything. Now we want to do the mobile optimization and also just disable this pop-up on mobile devices. So if someone clicks this pop-up, this button on the mobile device, he should be redirected to this page instead of opening the pop-up, because we don't want to open a pop-up on mobile devices. Otherwise it would be a little bit of mess, and I don't want my viewers to be messy. Not that messy Ronaldo Messi, but the Messi, normal Messi. Okay, so thanks a lot guys for watching this. In the next video, we're gonna optimize our website for this mobile, and also we're gonna I'm gonna show you how can you just disable a button on mobile device and how can you do work with it. So stay tuned and bye bye.